GMT in every way that really matters rose 36.35% in 7 days, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bull control GMT's genuinely current cost activities, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN in a real sense is floating at $346,717,663, which especially is very critical. Current STEPN cost explicitly is $0.29 28 September 2023. In this article we will truly walk you through STEPN cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and essentially attempt to answer these regularly explicitly clarified some pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is for the most part momentary cost expectation for STEPN, in every practical sense. Is GMT a genuinely wise interest in a sort of enormous manner? STEPN support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they explicitly thought. In any case, prior to plunging profound into the GMT specialized examination, sort of allowed us for the most part to discuss the by and large current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there by and large was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole digital currency market to $1,057,668,317,807, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The especially all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $26,382,683,370 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 48.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33%, showing that the genuinely complete exchanging volume basically remains at $26,382,683,370 in a very enormous manner. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,530.14 level after a decay of 0.87% in an essentially significant manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.01%, coming to $1,625.48 during the past 24 hours, so the complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $26,382,683,370 in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.81, following a value change of 0.57% within a similar time period, which in every way that really matters is very critical. XRP, the local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere around 0.72 and at present exchanging at 50 cents, or so they really thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which for the most part is genuinely critical. These occasions sort of show that the market especially is going in a truly descending bearing for genuinely transient in an unpretentious manner. As of now, a truly broad fundamentally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so current STEPN cost basically is $0.29 28 September 2023. In this article, we will basically walk you through STEPN cost examination for now, or for essentially 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these regularly truly got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What basically is truly momentary cost expectation for STEPN? Fundamentally is GMT a fundamentally wise venture, which for the most part is genuinely critical. STEPN backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting how which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $26,530.14 level after a decay of 0.87% in an exceptionally significant manner. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become in every practical sense more kind of dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any commonly further in a quite enormous manner. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which vendors in every practical sense move really dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, sort of is at 29 cents, up 25.02% in this sort of beyond 24 hours, and sort of has a value change of 36.35% over the course of the week, so 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN fundamentally is floating at $346,717,663 in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC especially is $346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while extremely complete market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN sort of is floating at $346,717,663 in a sort of significant manner. There explicitly are just about 1,104,192,453 really are available for use out of 5,566,425,803, so there explicitly are right around 1,104,192,453 generally are available for use out of 5,566,425,803 in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for 28 September 2023, inside an everyday time span, especially made sense of beneath, showing how these occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market truly is going in an exceptionally descending course for extremely present moment, which generally is genuinely huge. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving most certainly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving certainly normal, EMA, to truly dissect the future development of the STEPN. Exhibiting how XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 0.72 and presently exchanging at 50 cents, which really is genuinely huge. The overall strength list, RSI, demonstrates that the GMT coin by and large is close oversold zone, as RSI especially is at 37, fundamentally further appearance how right now, a really broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so current STEPN cost truly is $0.29 28 September 2023. In this article we will essentially walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and generally attempt to answer these regularly, especially got clarification on some things, facts, what basically is somewhat momentary cost expectation for STEPN, generally is GMT a very wise speculation. While GMT's Williams %R marker sort of is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange sort of sign in every way that really matters is somewhat conceivable at this reach. Showing how while GMT's Williams %R pointer generally is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange